Hey guys, just like to welcome you all back, and here we go, back into it. Hopefully we can get some targets today. Just wanted to give a big thanks to Neil Colston and Cookie, 120 Down Under, for last week through the premiere. I couldn't sit through the live feed, the live chat, so big thumbs up to all you guys and whoever else helped out with that, just to host that live premiere. Absolutely awesome, top work guys. So let's go and get into it. Let's go and see if we can get some targets today. Oh, next week, Christmas Eve, Tuesday. The week after, New Year's Eve, Tuesday. So it looks like I've got some important dates, and I'll have to try and get some live Tuesday videos out for Christmas Eve. Woohoo, cool. And a live one out for New Year's Eve. Hopefully we can get the last piece of gold for the year on New Year's Eve, and we'll see how we go. Absolutely awesome. And then, yeah, not far off. Stumpy number 3, you little ripper. Can't wait to get that. As you can see, she's very short. That's probably good for STC or Gold Monster, that one. Really short. Alright, here we go. Let's go and fire this up and battle this beautiful hot weather we're getting this week. All above 35. Well, let's go. We have target number 3. First one's no good at all, but still targets. Anyway, what I'm going to do is just go through here, give you guys a bit of a listen to the grounds. I actually got asked if I could turn the volume down because the volume on the speaker is louder than my voice or something, but I just won't talk. I'll let you guys have a listen, okay? And we'll just go through just the exact way I was doing this. And that way you guys can have a listen. I'll just fix this manual tune. Okay, that way you guys can have a listen. Oh, big spike of EMI just there. Okay, because actually I had a few people ask if I could just do this so you can listen as well. Because a few people enjoyed that just when I was just swinging along. Okay, so just a little bit of interference just on that side there. Oh, go away. King blowy, that one. It's not the actual flies that annoy me, it's just the buzzing. I don't know, it's just... Maybe I was attacked by wasps or bees when I was a kid. Alright, here we go. Alright, hear that, beautiful. Alright, let's not muck around, let's get this one out. Let's see what we got here. Alright, scrape that, check again. Beautiful sound. Oh, she's nice. Oh, we got multicolour. Got some gravel, got some clay, got it all. Let's see what we got. We're going in. Oh, get your thoughts in. See what you reckon about that. Oh, come on, Stumpy number 2. You're almost home, buddy. Not long now, and we'll sit you up on the shelf. Oh, jeez. Oh, I can't wait for Stumpy number 3. Oh, that's going to be so good. We are going in again. Oh, she's out. Alright, bring you guys around closer to the action. How's that? How's that? Is that alright? How's that? Is that close enough? Is that going to be alright? I'll see if I can pinpoint being that close to the camera. Close. Excuse me. Close enough. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh. She's still in there. Come on, Gold. Don't be led. Oh. Oh. What can I see in there? I can see something. That looks a little bit grey. Let's go. Let's go and check this out. Ready? Here we go. We're going down. There we go. Oh, 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 that's gold, guys. That's a piece of gold. That's a chunky bit too. Ooh, thanks very much, Coiltek Elite, once again. Let's give that dirt a clean. Oh, that's going to look so good cleaned. Oh, I can't wait to get that home. Give that a brush. Woohoo, you ripper. Another piece of GT Vic gold. Thank you very much. Solid little bit. Oh, look at that, it's shining. I usually look through the LCD at what I'm filming, but I'm actually looking straight at that piece. Wow. Still got dirt stuck in those little bits. Looks like a little bit of pipish type clay. Just almost grey, not quite white, but oh, bugger off fly. That's good. That's really good. All right, let's go. Let's get these weights in. She's got a bit of weight. It's definitely going to be over 1 gram. All right, here come those weights. Ready? Hurry, I'll give you another 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. Here we go. Here come these weights. Absolutely awesome. Very, very cool. All right, let's get rid of those weights. Excellent. All right, let's go. Let's go and see what else we can find. Thank you very much. Whew, isn't it beautiful? Absolutely awesome. Well, I've got some targets today. Oh, every time I think I've got a good target, film it up, and then it turns out to be nothing but deep, deep rust. I'll show you guys at the end of the video some of these targets. I'm not going to put all them other ones in, same as last week. I'm just going to skip a few of those junky ones, but we've got some here in some nice white pipe clay. Let's go and take a listen and see what we got. That's twice. Hey, that might be a good sign. Last time I've done that, it was gold. Just interference today. Absolutely crazy. On frequency 80, 82. All right, enough of that. Let's go. Take you guys down. Have a listen. All right, keep your ears open. Don't close them. Okay, so I'm just coming across here like this. Oh, go away, fly. That happened last time as well. I had to drop the camera. Oh, wonder what that is. Do you reckon that's hot ground underneath? Very broad. No way. That is target. Alright, let's get it. Let's go and get this one. Ooh, come on, alright. We love this white pipe clay. So, let's just double check. Oh, she's in there, she is in there. Come on. Oh, look at that goodness. We just love this. We know why the miners dug through this, don't we? Ooh. Big, chunky goodness. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Ah, tree root. Another big chunky goodness. Ooh, lots of white. Lots of quartz around the white pipe clay. Alright. We're going in. Whew. Ooh, she's getting louder, and it's still in there, so the deeper we go, the bigger we get. The gold. Show you, right through the damn middle. I'm going to have to come this way a little bit. Oh, come on. Oh, she's warm today. I don't think I'll be out of here much longer. Whew. Oh, she's getting loud. She's getting loud, Famo. Famo 59. She's loud. She's getting deeper too, buddy. Let's see, mate. This one's for you. This one's for you. If, whoop. Let's see. I reckon it's just stuck in under that tree root. Oh. At least the ground's nice and soft. Ooh. I'd hate to be up in that country where the ground's super tough, like some of you guys get. Oh, she's out. Alright, here we go. Wish me luck. This is for you, Famo. Somewhere down the front here. I'll just pinpoint again. Alright. Definitely going to be right there. Alright, here we go. Get your thoughts in. Oh, did I feel something a little heavy? I reckon I might have. Oh, I did. Hear that? Oh. But, just from that weight, I can sort of tell it's going to be something exciting. See that? Can you see it? That's why it's so exciting. Have a look at that. You can't see it, but I can feel the weight. Ready? Watch. Ready? I'll see if I can do this. There we go. How cool is that? That's gold, guys. That's a piece of gold. You ripper. Oh, very cool. I'll see if I can come around here a little bit away from that sun, and we'll get a good shot on this. Oh, it's wiping that white pipe clay off. There we go. You see that? Let's give it a good clean. Oh, she's a solid little one. Solid. There we go. Very cool. And that's gold, guys. There she is. Whoa, I can feel it. There we go, I'll try and hold that still for you. I just wanted to get it in a perfect position. That's a piece of gold, you little ripper. Yeah, just so you get an idea. Ready? There we go. Solid chunk, solid nugget. Only small, but hey, definitely over a gram, definitely over 1.5. It'll top 2, I think. Very cool, definitely top 2 grams. That's solid. Alright, that's just a bit of a heads up, because those weights are coming in right now. Here they come, get ready, hurry. Oh. Alright, here they come. Absolutely awesome, well done. Whoever guessed closest to that, all you guys put absolutely awesome guesstimates in there. Very good, let's go. Well, that's been a pretty good day. We got 2 pieces of gold. Let's go and just get out these junky targets, some relics and that as well. I don't want to put them in the video, just keep this a little bit shorter this week. And yeah, that's cool as. Alright, let's go and take a peek. Alrighty guys, back again. Just to save a bit of time, I'll fill this back in soon. I just thought to get these junky targets out now. And yeah, we'll go down and take a look at what we got. So, there we go. As you can see in there, a mixture, a variety of all the good stuff. All the stuff we love. That's pretty cool. Old square rail pin maybe. Off one of those little minecart track rails. Possibly? I don't know, you guys let me know. Do you reckon that's what it was? To hold down the rails on the mining cart rail track thing. Anyway, that is a... Oh yeah, it's one of those things. Ha! Would not have a clue. Yeah, ring pull. Got this, I don't know if it's off an old watch. Like a little watch of some sort. Yeah, very cool. Haha! Got a button, you little ripper. That's pretty cool. Buttons are always cool to find, old relics. Yeah, and then just the usual stuff in there. Got a bit of a metal plate, a bit of lead, bullet shell, a couple of bits of rust, lots of rust just there. And there we go. There's the 2 pieces of gold. Thank you very much. I'll take those. And, whoop! I'll take those two, add those two to the collection. And that's some more gold for 2019. You little ripper. Very, very cool. They'd have to be over 4 grams there. Geez, it might even go 5. It'd be over 4 anyway. Very cool. Anyway, that's me done, guys. Yeah, hope you enjoyed that slightly smaller, shorter episode. And I'll see you all next week for Christmas Eve edition. And then, yeah, that's it. I'm done. See you later. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Hit that like, share, subscribe, whatever. All those things. It's totally up to you. It's your life and you guys can do whatever you want. I'll see you all next week.